Now, let's look at a couple more examples where we need to find the volume of cylinders. And remember the formula for the volume of a cylinder. V for volume is equal to the area of the base of the cylinder, which is circular, so you need the area formula for a circle, which is pi multiplied by the radius of the circle squared. And we'll multiply the area of the base by the height of the cylinder, which we can call h. So r, that's the radius of the base of the circle, and h, that is the height of the cylinder. So if we can mark what the radius is and what the height is, we can just plug these in to find the volume. Now, in this case, it looks like the radius of the circle is 4, and the height of this cylinder is 10. Now let's plug those values into this formula. So the volume of this cylinder is equal to pi multiplied by the radius, which is 4, and we'll square that, multiplied by the height, which is 10. And 4 squared, 4 times 4, that's 16. And 16 multiplied by 10 is 160. And just putting the number first, we have 160 multiplied by pi. Now, this is the exact answer. But if we want an approximate answer, we can approximate pi with 3.14. So that's an option if you want to get some type of decimal answer. But by approximating this by 3.14, we're going to be rounding this answer, which means it will no longer be the exact answer. So if you want to have the exact volume, you need to leave the symbol pi rather than rounding it. And let's do one more problem. And again, we can rewrite this formula that the volume of a cylinder is pi multiplied by the radius of the base of the cylinder squared multiplied by the height. And we just need to mark that you can see the radius here is 6 and the height of this cylinder is 4. Then from this information, we can plug it in so that the volume is pi multiplied by the radius squared, which is 6, and multiplied by the height, which is 4. Now, 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36, and we have to multiply 36 by 4, and I'll put that in front. 36 multiplied by 4, we do 4 times 30, which is 120, 4 times 6, which is 24, 120 plus 24 is 144, and we multiply that by pi, and we can leave this as the exact answer. So the volume of this cylinder is 144 multiplied by pi.